This part of you will not change. This drives you to not change. The purpose never dies. You need to find your purpose in life because life is too short to be or to doing anything. But exactly what you